everyone and welcome to Lisa B. Today this is day 2 of the 7-day stretch challenge. So today we're going to do another full body stretch, a few twists, and yeah, just trying to hold them for that little bit longer. Some are flowing. Let's get straight into it. 5 minutes on full body. So first of all, we're just going to make sure that you're warmed up. So we're just going to bring our hands to the mat or the floor and just walk them forward. You might be here, but just try and go that little bit lower. Don't let the pelvis lift. Drop the head, but keep the neck long, so chin is away from the chest here. Back is long. Sometimes people get into these stretches and they kind of really crunch up with the back and they constrict the vertebrae. You don't want to be doing that. You're reaching away with the arms. Breathing into this, coming into the breath. Can you reach a little bit further? Can you go a little bit lower into this stretch? And then start to walk up. And let's take a few twists here. So you're going to just bring your left hand across, place it on the knee, and just look behind you or look to the side. Start to move, come the other way. Right hand across, twist. Roll that back shoulder back. Try and twist throughout the whole vertebrae. Coming forward and round again, one more time each side. Changing for the last time. And coming back. So now going for a nice little side body, so really feel an intense stretch down the side. So either left hand to the mat or the forearm for a deeper stretch. Top arm up and over. Reach away with this top arm. Try not to lift the right hips off the mat. Try and stay grounded. Reaching away, take a few deep breaths here. Relax the face, relax the shoulders. Try not to be fighting any of these stretches. It's so easy to do that when we find them uncomfortable. We move the tension somewhere else. Try not to do that. Start to come up and over, other side, hand or forearm on the mat. That will give you that deeper stretch. Try not to lift the left side, the the hips on the left side off the mat. Try and keep the pelvis parallel on the mat, reaching that top arm away. Again, relaxing the face, relaxing the shoulders. Feeling this a little bit in the lower side of the back as well. On the left side, this is where I'm feeling it. Coming up, coming round, take the legs out in front of you. Little bend in your knees if you need it. So bring the arms up, inhale, exhale forward. Let the hands fall wherever they fall. They might go to the feet, they might go to the ankles. And again, back is long, neck is long. You should be looking down, but the chin is away from the chest. Try and drop the shoulders, sink into this. With every exhale, can you go a little bit deeper? And then start to peel back up. And then let's lie all the way down. Let's go into happy baby to get into the hips a little bit. So take an inhale, exhale, lifting one leg at a time, feet parallel to the ceiling. Take the knees wider than the hips, reach through, grab the soles of the feet. The feet should be parallel to the floor. So if you put the feet on the floor, the whole of the foot would touch the floor. The feet should be parallel to the ceiling, sorry. So if you touch the feet to the ceiling, the whole of the foot should touch the ceiling. That's kind of where you want to be. You might be here, you might be here. So pull the feet down if you've got hold of them. Again, dropping the shoulders. Try to relax into this. Taking a few deep breaths, closing the eyes if that feels good. And and start to just release out of that. Take your feet onto the mat and then bend the knees, let the soles of the feet come together, let the knees open. Bring the arms up and over. Let the lower back arch because you're just in a stretch, you're not really doing anything else but stretching. Notice where the body sort of contacts the mat, notice any areas of tension. And then release out of that, close the knees, bring the legs into tabletop, roll through the spine a few times, just to come up and come round. Last little stretch here. So bring your left leg forward, right knee is on the mat, let's just stop that. And then left hand plants down on the inside of the left foot, and then take your right arm up towards the ceiling, look up. Make sure the hand stays in front of the shoulder, make sure you haven't just flung the arm back. Bring the hand down, other side. Going to bring your right foot to the mat. Right hand on the inside of the right foot, take the left arm up, look up. Again, relax the shoulders, relax the face. And we are done. I hope you feel good after that. I hope you feel like you've got a little bit of a benefit going on there with the stretches. So please subscribe. It will help me to keep doing these videos. Don't forget to do day 3 tomorrow. I hope you're enjoying this little 7-day challenge. And I will see you tomorrow.